We're gonna close the door, turn off the light, and have some fun.
Oh, oh my
I
gosh.
burned my hair.
Welcome guys. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the cleaning and decorating of 3 of my guest bedrooms. And I want to take you guys with me for extra strength and energy. I'm so sorry that this video is a little late. The reason being, I taped this video earlier, but I couldn't find the footage and I have to redo the video all over again. But I figure you guys appreciate this kind of video where I clean and I share with you my decoration tips for the bedrooms. I figure just upload the video. So starting with the first room, this is the Paris room. So guys, if you are interested in seeing how I style this room, I will leave the link down below. So for this first room, I am just removing decoration and sheets and comforters and everything else. Then I will proceed to dusting and wiping and vacuuming and also disinfecting the room before starting the decoration and starting.
Be kind to one another and don't give in to fear. That's all that I am asking for Christmas time this year. We've had enough of fighting and dying in the streets. For Christmas I just want a little peace.
So now it's time to make up the bed. This is the most challenging step in my cleaning. I don't know about you guys, but my pet peeve is not having a clean and straight sheet on the bed. I absolutely hate seeing wrinkles or area that are not properly taken in. Just trust me not. And it's not always easy to accomplish. You have to be patient and take your time really to make sure that the bed looks perfect. As perfect as possible. It's always some area to improve.
In the silence and just breathe. Rejoice for all the happiness, mourn for all the grief. It's all.
Guys, styling a tray is an easy way to bring Christmas or holiday in a room. Here I am styling a tray and adding some snow that I made previously in this clip. And now it's time for the reveal. Background this year is just a snow nature because we didn't have any snow. Once again, priceless. Guys, this year decoration is really about minimalism. I did not do much here. I was inspired by the lamps for this whole setup. You guys can see that the lamp has that little glow. This was my inspiration truly to find other element of decoration to bring everything together. This emerald tree came from Macy's. The mirror gold tree, we had it for a long time. I can't remember where we bought it. I just wrapped the fairy lights that I got from Amazon around to give it some, Christmas vibes. And you guys can notice that Santa outfit matches the lamps. That was the whole idea, to make everything look good together and make it cohesive but really minimalist. Once again, I made some snow earlier that I added on a tray just to remind us a little bit of the white snow, white Christmas. On the tray I added this sign that says peace that I got from Walmart. The glittery white cone came from Burlington. Here I have just a round mirror with a little decoration that I got from Michael's. The mirror came from Walmart. This is the whole look. the fairy tale came with this remote. Very convenient. I got 8 packs with 8 remote that controls the lights and have different settings. I absolutely love the bedding. I wanted something that is a little glittery without being too much, so absolutely love this pattern. And this pillow right here, it has like leather feature to it, and the other one is sequins, perfect for the holidays. And also to have a little more warmth and coziness, I have the fireplace going on. And also candles, guys, who doesn't love candles? I add this one in this lantern that I got from Walmart, the glass candles from Amazon. It was a pack of 5. I absolutely love them.
The sun is going down and I am getting wild. It's time going down, my intentions are.
This little 4 tray came in a pack of a dozen that I got from Walmart for, I believe, $8. On the sitting area, I just switched off the pillows and I added these winter pillows that say let's get cozy that I got from Walmart.
I just wanna get at your feelings.
I also got this pillow from Walmart. It's versatile. I absolutely love it. This little acrylic decor, nativity decor, came from Walmart. It lights up and sings. This little tree, wooden tree with glittery on it, came from Walmart as well. This electric fireplace came from Home Depot years ago. It's not heating up the room because the temperature is pretty warm. It's just here for the ambience. Okay guys, so my bedding set came from Walmart. Guys, I wanted this to feel like Christmas without doing too much, so I absolutely love these pillows, the sequin pillows, gorgeous. And I'm liking this set. I saw that online, but I wasn't sure how it's going to transpire in person. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, up next, the guest bedroom number 2. This is the silver room. We are going to do the same thing. We are going to clean and decorate and style the room. Next, we're going to reveal the room.
Jet planes in the night sky with you. Getting high in the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine. Cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
We got scared when it got darker at night, cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. I've seen better days. Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. trick on my eyes. Creatures in my bedroom at night. Lately I have not been sleeping fine. I can't get no peace of mind. Though I could be better than I've ever been. Got friends, a family, and a place to stay. Though I should be better than ever when I see my loved ones every day. I know for every laugh we share today, there'll be a teardrop later on. I know the more I have, the more I have to lose, the less I feel I've won. I've been having nightmares. I've been having nightmares.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone.
This here came from Kohl's from last year. This came from Walmart. I had this for a while. I believe I got one from Target, another one from Amazon, and I got the mini tree from Burlington. Pillow from Walmart was $10, $9.99. This is all I did over here. Over here, guys, I just added some throw that I have for a while. I believe I got this from Home Goods a while back. This flower arrangement on my living room, I just added these picks from Michael's.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately and got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street. It stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read those through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave.
Oh my gosh, I'll bring back.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh.
color from JCPenney. I absolutely love this one. I love the color, I love the glittery on it, and also those little details. Absolutely gorgeous. I added this straw to add more texture and layer. Love it, and it's very soft. It also adds to the coziness. It keeps you warm. I absolutely love this little decorative pillow, pineapple decorative pillow. Love it. I love the blush on it. I love the sequin pillow with the pom-pom, blush pom-pom at the ends. Very fun and just a nice vibe. Even if these are not real, candles are always a good idea to set up the mood. I am absolutely in love with this little tray. It's a very nice and quick fix decoration idea to set up a tray and have your decorative item on it. Here I have a Santa, a shimmery gold tree, kind of tree, and also a silver gold tree. Over here, I just wanted to make it more cozy and inviting, so I added these two lanterns and I put some candle in it. The candle came from Walmart a long time ago. I also got the lanterns from Walmart this year. I'm keeping all the decoration very minimalist. For this full tree, I just added my fairy light to give it some Christmas vibes. Joy sign that I got from Walmart. This little tree came from Walmart. I got this lamp from Home Good. We're gonna close the door, turn off the light, and have some fun. Not that kind of fun. This one. Thank you guys for watching.